Hey there, welcome back to my channel. As you know, Windows 11 has some great inbuilt themes that you can choose from. But did you know there are some hidden themes within the OS that have been primarily designed for students using devices in a school but can be used by anyone? In this video, you'll see how you can unlock them with the help of a simple tweak to the registry. Before we begin, do note that these themes are available for Windows 11 22H2 build and later. To see if you have one, you can check this in the About section of Settings. If you don't have, update your Windows. To enable the hidden themes in Windows 11, first you have to open Registry Editor using admin rights. You can open it either from the Start menu or Run Program. Next, navigate to this path shown here. Over here, right-click on the device folder, create a new key and name it Education. Type in exactly the way it's shown here. Inside the Education key, right-click to create a new dword 32-bit value, naming it Enable EDU Themes with no space. Press Enter on your keyboard or double-click on it and change the value from 0 to 1. Now close everything to save and restart your computer. After restarting your computer, you can either go to Microsoft Store and search for the latest updates, or wait for some time so that your computer downloads the hidden themes. Once you see them here, open your theme section and you should be seeing some new themes. That's it. I hope you found this video informative, and if you did, do give a thumbs up. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.